Tell something about yourself.
I'm Miss Jibelia Villanita. I'm from Alobihid, Misamis Oriental. I'm 33 years old, single mother. I have two kids, 1 year and 6 months, twins. I am the four kids of my family. I am a youngest of my family, and I graduated college. I finished my Bachelor Science in Nursing.
What is your main reason for applying abroad?
I've been 3 years in Abu Dhabi, and I want to try to Singapore
Why Singapore?
because some I heard some people there is very nice people.
Can you give us an example?
Yes, ma'am. One letter, two letter, three little engines, four letter, five letter, six little engines, seven letter, eight letter, nine little engines, 10 little engines, boy.
Can you and are you willing to take care of elderly and bedridden people?
Yes, ma'am.
How about animals?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of pets and domestic animals?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have what particular food or dishes can you prepare?
Like adobo, fried chicken, fried fish, macaroni, um, noodles.
Do you know how to bake?
Yes, ma'am.
Most people in Singapore speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
Yes, ma'am.
What particular home and electrical appliances can you operate?
Like washing machine, iron, TV, television, ironing, vacuum.
What particular language or dialect can you speak?
English, Arabic, and little Cantonese.
This interview will be viewed by your potential employer.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you think he or she should hire you?
I'm hardworking and polite and understanding and obedient.
Okay, thank you.